Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, it is freaking hot. We're in Las Vegas. It's freaking hot. It says it's 75 degrees. I don't know if that's right, though. It's freaking hot here. Anyways, today, what is today? Friday, I think? Today's Friday, I believe. Anyways, today, I'm here to basically, I'll admit, I was wrong on a few things. I probably have been wrong about this Top Dasher thing, and maybe I should have done some more research, but I have been promoting like taking $2 an order, $2 a mile orders and stuff, you know, and really what that's done has been hurting like the Doordash community because the orders aren't getting done. Therefore they're having to lower our pay basically because the orders aren't getting done, and there's a lot of waste basically going. Like all the orders that aren't getting done is kind of like, it's like adding up a bunch of trash basically. And really, like, the only way that we can really combat this before it gets worse, you know, like, because if we keep going at the rate that we're going, like, we all as a community need to pull together and help Doordash out so that way they can get their stock prices up. And that way, in turn, after their stock prices are up, they will start increasing our pay. So that way, Doordashers, we can get a higher pay. At least up to like $4 would be great, I think. But if we all, basically, the only way that we could solve the problem quickly is if we all just became Top Dashers. So what I'm going to do is basically, I'm going to be trying to do my best to be a Top Dasher for the next few weeks and try to take care of as many of these like $2.50 orders as possible. That way, just like, you know, like, I don't know, it's like picking up after yourself, you know? If we can all pick up at least a few of these low paying orders, in turn after that, when the stock prices have gone up because of all the orders and everything, we're going to be able to get a higher price in paying orders. I was just talking to Bentley Coop about this. Bentley had some great suggestions on why we all need to be taking these low paying orders, and honestly, it made a lot of sense. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to have to make a video on this because today's April Fool's Day. See you later.